Today, I will show you CoinIn App Review 2025 and the pros and cons. CoinIn is marketed as a coin identification and value estimation app for collectors and hobbyists. The concept is simple. You snap a photo of a coin, and the app identifies its type, year, country of origin, and even provides an estimated market value. For many users, especially beginners, this is a convenient way to learn about coins without digging through catalogs or online forums. The interface is fairly smooth, the database covers a wide range of common coins, and the app often includes historical background, which adds educational value. However, user feedback shows a mixed experience. Some collectors report that CoinIn works well for modern coins in good condition, giving reasonably accurate identifications and basic pricing ranges. Others find it struggles with older, foreign, or worn coins, often producing vague or inaccurate results. The value ranges can also be too broad to be meaningful, which makes it less useful for serious pricing decisions. The subscription model is another point of controversy. While the app promotes a free trial, many users complain about unexpected charges after the trial ends and difficulties with canceling subscriptions. From a safety standpoint, the app itself is not a scam. It has a legitimate website, valid security measures, and is available in major app stores. But the concerns about transparency in billing and the limitations in accuracy make it less reliable for advanced collectors. ScumAdvisor notes that, while the site appears safe, limited company details and low traffic raise some caution flags about long-term trust. In conclusion, CoinIn is a functional and entertaining app for casual users who want to identify coins quickly and learn some history along the way. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.